How to update Fortnite on PlayStation 5 when it's not working. So in this video, I will show you just follow easy steps so that it gets started. Now, first of all, open the Fortnite on your PlayStation 5. So turn on your PlayStation 5 or go to the home screen, find the Fortnite icon and select it. If Fortnite is not opening, don't worry, just follow the next step. Step number 2, check for updates. So now on the Fortnite screen, press the option button on your controller. So the button with 3 lines, you will find it there. A menu will pop up, then select check for updates from the list. This will make sure that you have the latest version of Fortnite. After that, restart the PlayStation 5 if needed. So if Fortnite isn't or won't update, try restarting your PlayStation 5. Just hold the power button for 7 seconds to 10 seconds until you hear 2 beeps, and then turn it on back on. And after the restart, try checking for updates again. This is how to update Fortnite on PlayStation 5 when it's not working. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.